Sige na dayon. Jujimi!
Jujimi Palong Galinga in Chick.
Deng, de deng, de deng, deng, deng. Deng, ding, ding, de deng, de deng. Deng, de deng, de deng, deng, deng. Deng, de deng, de deng, de deng. Deng. Sige, mana, last pose. Yeah,
I'm Jujimi Palong Galinga representing.
Hello everybody.
Sorry po, may nagdahil dyan. Okay. Hello everybody. Good morning. Yan! Yan!
Alala.
Hello everybody.
Hello everybody. I'm Jujimi. I'm Pano Galinga. I live in Nanokan,
Ligan
Iligan City.
City.
Representing.
Representing Nunukan.
Representing Nanokan City.
Mabuhay! Order. Points aside.
Okay, what is your attire now? What is your playing?
Na summer attire.
Summer attire.
Pwedyan mo daw ka na. Sige na.
Candidate number 1, go back to your
Thank
proper
you.
seat.
Oh.
Sige.
For her talent. Sige, sayaw. What is your
What is your talent, baby?
talent? Dancing or singing or drama?
My answer is dance.
My talent.
You want to sing or dance?
She wants to see you.
Okay. What kind of dance?
Oh, ballroom?
What kind of song?
Or hip-hop or
Low.
Okay. Sharon and apple bottom ding ding up with the paw. The whole club is looking at her. She's the flow. Sing now. Shut it go low, 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 low.
Okay.
Subong diri pag kay ay. Sharon and apple bottom jean jean oops with the paw. The whole club is looking at her. She's the flow. Listen now. Shut it go low, 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 low. Da, sirado bitaw na, oh. Set up. Yeah.
Okay. Candidate number 1, please welcome. Okay, clap your hands. Everybody.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
Point to the east, point to the west.
Point to the...
Ano bang yung kuwan ba? Tingnan na ng ganito.
Sige, question na siya, Vic. Kaya nakigwa.
Wati ka na Christine ng hanaon.
Question na lang. Uy, pwede manin. Ana, Bena. Question na lang siya. Sige, pagtindo ka dira.
Sige lang gusto ko na dito. Mas ko na siya.
Sige.
Question. Come on. What is your ganda ng body mo? Anong sekreto mo?
Secret pala.
Kaya, dapat may sagutin para manalo ka, baby.
Dewi.
What's that?
Baby.
Oy, sumagot ka naman.
Oy, hindi to.
Oy, hindi to. Ipalong ka ba? Or what else?
Wala. naman ko. Okay, dyan, Jen.
Okay. Sa lahat ng lalaki, sino ang pipiliin mo? Si Jepte, si Amang, si Janjan.
Wala na akong magagawa kundi si Jen na ang crush ko pa talaga habang buhay ko.
At bakit?
Wala na food.
Bakit?
Dahil guwapo siya.
Oh, ako. Next question.
At matangkad siya.
Next question.
Masikot ang giligilig ko.
Kalapat dapat ka bang manalo ngayong gabing ito? At bakit? Para sa iyo, kalapat dapat ka bang manalo?
Ulit mo.
Kalapat dapat ka bang
Ayaw,
manalo?
alabot.
Kalapat dapat ka bang manalo?
Sabagay.
Sabagay, bakit sabagay?
Iwan ko. Ano?
Bakit? Anong dahil?
Isa na, isa to.
Ayun. Sige, itog mo.
Nasasyak ako kasi may kumang... Sunod lang gawin. Apa lang.
Gaw na tayo, sa meron gaw.
Ako sa sunod.
Oh, sige, okay. Thank you, candidate.
You're welcome.
Okay.